Hey, beautiful soul, you are allowed to take your time and slow down. You don't have to push, 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 force, and hustle. Your pain, whether physical, emotional, mental, or anything else, is real. No matter what anyone else says, it's not attention seeking or dramatic. You are not being selfish or lazy. You are a brave and doing your best. That takes true courage. Take it day by day, moment by moment, minute by minute, if you need. Even second by second, your highest self and soul is waiting for you to pick and prioritize yourself. Your highest self and soul craves to be honored for the miracle that you are. Your highest self and soul yearns to be acknowledged for your resilience, strength, and tenacity. Hold on. You have got this. You are creating a beautiful life for yourself. Type yes if you agree, and also